Hey guys, Ivica here, CroatianSoccerReport.com. Just want to say happy birthday to the site. Happy second birthday, 2 years running stronger than ever. Thank you to Dennis and Anta for letting me become a member of this site and becoming a regular writer. I really enjoyed working with you guys, and I look forward to what the future has in store. To the readers, you know who you are. You post your names, or you just pass the site along to your friends. Well, thank you for what you've done, how you've contributed to the site. You're what drives this site. We need you more than ever if we want to take this site even further than where it is now. To our new friends, welcome. You might not know me, but welcome to the site. Pass it along to your friends and anyone interested, because this site is definitely becoming a staple in a lot of Croatian American communities. So please pass it along, and we appreciate it, and we look forward to hearing from you in the future. Well, considering where we've come from as being, just a soccer blog, to interviewing Igor Stimac and, young Croatian American prospects like Stefan Škrinjarić and Marijan Jurac, and then being mentioned in a lot of Croatian newspapers, getting media credentials over there to watch Croatia versus Ukraine when Dennis went last year. That was, these are all things that they're just one success after another, and the site is just, this past year has been taken off. It's taken off tremendously. So who knows what the future has in store? But other than that pretty much sums up what I wanted to say. So thank you to everybody, and look forward to hearing from you down the road. And lots of continued success. And if you're new here, welcome aboard. Looking forward to talking to you. Bye bye.